Yeah, today is Saturday, 9th of September. I blew my back out yesterday and I needed a rest. I'm so damn pig-headed I wasn't going to do that. So God brought the rain last night, so I had to rest today. Pretty strong thunderstorm starting about 1 in the morning. He's good to me. A little bit of silt ran into my ditch, my trench. Not enough to worry with. Maybe 20 minutes to clean it out, if that. My rebar is clean. It didn't contaminate it with mud. So he's good to me. He wanted me to rest, so he made sure I did. Back's getting better. It's just, I broke my back years ago. I want to say it was in 2006. So my lower spine's been repaired. And if I'm bent over at the waist, it really aggravates my back tremendously. And I spent several hours on my knees, bent over at the waist, setting this rebar in the trench. And it messed up my back. But it's getting better. I'm glad he made it rain. Made me stay home. And I received an item from Amazon. Amazon said it weighed a little over 100 pounds. Someone can't read. It weighs 112 kilograms. There's 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. So it's pushing 240 pounds. Yeah, it's heavy. So I come up here to get my ramps. It's on rollers. So I can roll it up the ramps and into the back of my truck. And this 5-gallon bucket catches rain water off of that one gutter I got on this entire building. So it's full. The little bucket here does not. It's got probably a 1/4 inch in it, maybe 3/16. Besides how much rain I got last night, 3/16 to a 1/4 inch. Just enough to make me stay home. So, not bad. I gotta do some work on my old chicken coop. Got some rock going on at the bottom. I need to fix that. It's on my list. And like I said, I'll grab my ramps and then got to go to Walmart, get a couple things for the wife. She's working today. So she wants to come up here tomorrow with me. We can mix concrete. She'll sit in her chair playing with her phone, but I can mix concrete. And try to get this first course done. After that, it's all gluing them together. So that's about all for this one. Thank you.